Dhiiran is a platform for equal justice, social justice, for Somali women to have a space, an alternative space to be inclusive, to be included, and to have a space that they can do whatever they feel like doing. Our interest is really to pay attention and bring to the core the resilient women who have been struggling so many years to be included in the midst of our programs. Our focus is on creating economic prosperity, creating programs and entrepreneurship programs for women to finally have economic power. So how I define myself as a Dhiiran. Dhiiran means brave, courageous, somebody who shows up, who's ready to do the work. The reason we call the organization Dhiiran is because we believe that women around the globe are brave beings who just come with their power, no matter the systems that are against them, no matter the discrimination that they face, no matter the sexism that they face. I think women are just powerful beings that transcend whatever their environment is. So Dhiiran to me means unified with other women. It means doing work with other women. It means existing with other women. It means including other women in our midst. It means really seeking your purpose and making sure that your purpose is realized and having a purpose. Every single morning when you wake up, you should have purpose and you should have a reason to go out there and make a difference. And so to us, Dhiiran means every woman, Somali woman that we meet is Dhiiran. She comes with courage. She comes with an amazing amount of persona. She comes with an amazing amount of strength and resilience, because what's against her as a woman existing in Somalia is plenty. So she shows up in spaces that she's probably not welcome, political spaces. If she's not included in the decision-making table, which is mainly male-dominated, she just shows up, brings her chair and sits there, even though she's not wanted. And that's what makes Somali women amazing, resilient. I feel most empowered when I'm among women making a difference, doing the work, showing up to make a difference. Power and moments of happiness comes when you are giving back to the society. And so I came from America 3 years ago, thinking, oh, I'm going to go and empower people, except I've been empowered. The women you see around me are empowering me to do what I can do for them. And they're also adding to the mix. So it's not a place where I'm the one who's making the difference. Everybody who shows up makes a difference in their own way. And so it's sort of a melting pot, a pot that contains all our little contributions to this community. And what makes me happy is to be with them, to do programs with them. And so my happiest moments, my Dhiiran moments, is with my fellow women, Somali women.